Yes, sir.
XJ is going for alignment. We're gonna move the TJ back. We sold the trailer, so the trailer's going. This is going on the trailer. Then clean up the shop and bring in the TJ to get now. We are loaded up. Sold the trailer, taking the Jeep for alignment. I gotta take off these wheels because this one's bad. And I have another bad one, so not that size, not that size. Oh, 21. I meant to grab a 22. Alright, well, I'll be back in a little bit. I won't bore you on taking off a wheel. Filming on my wife's phone. We're at the 4x4 place. Just dropped off everything. Now I'm on the hunt for another trailer. What's going on, guys? It is actually 6:35, so I never reset my clock. We are headed to Massachusetts because, as you saw, we sold our wedge trailer. We're going to pick up a new trailer, and like always, you guys don't probably know this, I fight with this Final Cut and MacBook to upload these videos. So we're actually working on videos as we're driving today too, just because we have no time. But if anything important or interesting happens, I'll be sure to film it, and hopefully we'll get there and the trailer will be everything it's supposed to be. We'll see you in Massachusetts. Just got fuel. It was $58 and we took 20 gallons, and hopefully this was the only stop we need to make. And we also had to get coffee, but we are headed to Massachusetts now. There's the new trailer. So if you ever buy a used trailer, make sure it has the bushings there for the slipper spring. Also, if you see a trailer welded with a bolt, that means the bolt holes are probably beat out. But the rest of the trailer is good. I'm gonna take it. Got a sweet winch. So, gonna be good.
We're gonna unhook it, load up my truck, and head back to Jersey. One thing I like when we travel a lot is all these old buildings. You can't ever build something like this again because it would cost too much money in this world, but they're really cool. We're, I believe we're by where, Hartford?
New Haven. New
Haven, Connecticut. We're going to the food truck Paradise or something. I've eaten here before, and it's really good. So that's where we're going right now. And then it's back home. We are meeting with people about that TJ I posted, and we might work on the buggy a little bit tonight. We have to get another video out tonight too. So, tried it yet, but if this one had smell-o-vision, it is to die for. Smokehouse macaroni and cheese. Back, it is freezing out here. The water's right there. I just got barbecue. My wife's grabbing some Mexican food. We're gonna hit the road. I'm actually gonna pick her up so she don't have to walk all the way back. But if you're ever up, sorry, I ran and it's cold. If you're ever up on I-95, heading out of Connecticut, this place is right by IKEA on I-95. Actually has its own like Google location. That's what I got. That, but there's sometimes more food trucks. Try and drive through here with a trailer ain't the smartest. I'm gonna pull over right here. I can't wait to build onto the shop. I'm actually gonna, there's a garage door there. I'm gonna build out, not tall, just like a lean tube, and that's where all this other stuff's gonna go. But the buggy, we moved the radiator. I'm gonna do AN lines all the way to the front. Has a little basket there, so dash is all ready. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. See ya. What's going on, guys? This is the giveaway. Not sure how I'm gonna split it up yet, but a 9 torch with a medium back cap, and I'll throw a stubby in there as well. DINS connector. This will go to a prime weld, some other welders. You can also go right to your regulator, but you don't have a gas valve to turn the gas on and off, but still a sweet setup. A 332 Pyrex cup, magazine, which I use this a ton at work. And then this is awesome to keep by your machine, and then a placemat.